All right, take it away. Hi everyone, my name is Justin, and today I'm presenting my project, which is a web classification bot. And picture this: you're working in a company that is a wholesaler, and you're working as a data engineer, and your company wants to expand their client base. So, but they don't know like the potential client what they're selling. They could be selling like cosmetics, decor, baby products, kitchenware. Who knows, right? So what you do is you gather a list of data from online, so a list of websites, and what you want to do is to classify them into a category and subcategories. So so that you can pass it to the sales team and operation team so for further development. So how can we do that? Well, there's two options. We can either hire a team of people to manually classify them into different groups. So going into individual website and then look at the website what they're selling and then classify them, or you can kind of automate this process by developing a bot. So here's what I did. I choose the second option, which is creating a bot and write some boring code, add the bot into the data sheet, and here's the result. So what do we notice here? There's some empty columns here, empty rows. So here's because of the website is either down, outdated, or does not exist anymore, or it is wrapped by JavaScript. So, but there's two issues that we can be solved here. So the last two is the computer run out of memory. So give us an error, so which have an empty row because of that, or this website is not in the supported language. So just gonna be a quick demo, and I'm gonna explain it. So he's running in real time. So what the bot do is actually going into individual website to kind of scrape the words and then it's like and then based on the frequency of the word and count them and then classify them into category and subcategory. But one note here is the bot can be run for 24/7, which human cannot, and he's only for one bot. Okay. Slide. So what we did for improvement is we add more language here. We have Chinese, Cantonese, English, and Japanese. We added more language, and we classify them, we categorize them, and then add more bot to our data sheet, and here's the final result. We're able to fill in all those empty rows that initially we have, and of course that is after we clean out all those like website that is not working at the moment. So yeah, and here's the final result. Just to take a look. So what are the pros and cons of bot and human? So cons may be accuracy, but we can improve that accuracy over time. How about the pros? So let's talk about time efficiency. So for the bot, it takes me 2 days to run 100,000 records using the bot. For human, it may take like more than like 100 days. And how about the cost? For human, manually classifying them, it might cost like a lot. That's just a number that I calculate. For human, like if I want to develop a bot, it just maybe like cost me like a cup of coffee, like a couple of days, and I can create that program. But how about data consistency, right? I'm hiring a team of people, a five-person team. They might be able to like look at same object that they see on the website and have different names for them. So maybe like fragrance, and then they could someone might be classified as perfume, someone might classify as scent. But like for the program, right? I'm telling that okay, if you see those words, classify them as fragrance. So there's a data consistency, and I don't need to clean the data at the end. How about data expansion? So for manually classifying them, right? For human, I have to pay extra labor costs to have them classified again in the future. For bot, I can just simply rerun it without costing a penny. So conclusion is the bot has better cost efficiency and typo-free solution, and while keeping the running time low and operation cost low. And also like since it can be run 24/7, the operation team do not have to wait for your manually processed data, which I can just run overnight, and another day I can have the most updated data. So any questions? Yeah.
How did you get your website list?
So I can pay people online and just like scrape like a list of websites that I want to do. Or also I can just like go online and some website and just like okay, give me all the retailer websites. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Any more questions? Okay. Thank you.